Congratulate workshop participants. We are glad to have the opportunity to report on our scientific achievements at this conference. We want to present a report on the topic environmentally efficient approach to oil and gas producing sites. This investigation has developed of scientists from Ivano-Frankivsk National Technical University of Oil and Gas and Technical University of Shkitsa. The activities of oil and gas producing sites affect the environment, especially during some emergencies. Oil and gas facilities pose of potential environmental hazards, both due to the presence of aggressive chemicals in the technology's process and due to the large number of those facilities in all regions of the planet. The complexity of the issues lies in the fact that those oil and gas producing sites may be located close to protected or recreational areas. Alongside with these negative effects may last for a long time and be dangerous to the environment, which calls for the search of innovative technical solutions, as well as alternative energy sources development. When industrial objects function in their normal mode, it has a set of consequences. Thickness, rate increase, disturbance of natural environment functions, resource capacity influence. There is also the economic constituent of the given issue. We have offered the investigation aimed at the design of eco-efficient technology during oil and gas production sites life cycle. Based on the analyzed materials life cycle scheme of an oil and gas well has been developed, where the well is presented as a separate element of the overall life cycle of the oil and gas industry. Different stages of the life cycle of the oil and gas industry cause environmental impacts of varying degrees of intensity and harmfulness. At each stage, there are needs for different resources: transport, energy, natural resources, and other materials. They form input streams, while the output produces various emissions, discharges, noise, vibration, etc., which generate output streams. It is possible to allocate regulated emissions which are caused by the provided technology process. However, emergencies that may occur during production operating must be eliminated as soon as possible. Analysis of the distribution of accidents during the laying and operation of well by type shows that most often there are capture of drill and casing 35 to 45% of the total number of accidents. Other sources provide data on 85% of all causes of accidents with drill string elements and capture. Thus, when drilling production and exploration wells, the most common and severe accidents are the capture of drill and casing. Accidents of this type are the longest. They take 35 to 45% of the total time spent on the elimination of accidents. The increase in recent years of accident drill string and its elements is due to the increase in drilling deep, direct, angle, and horizontal wells, that is, more severe operating conditions. Therefore, capture and unforeseen violation of the process when drilling a well, which is characterized by a loss of mobility of the column and cannot eliminate by applying acceptable loads. There are currently number exciting problems are related to the elimination of drill string capture. The number of these call for the pipes unscrewing from the cause pipe. The most popular way of unscrewing pipes from the cause pipe is the use of pipes with anticlockwise screw. This way is labor-consuming, power-consuming, and causes environmental pollution. The use of this way causes extra pollution to the environment by transportation means delivering and taking away big amounts of tool with anticlockwise screw, and sustainable operating of drilling rig engines when the available pipes with clockwise screw are replaced by the ones with anticlockwise screw. And when the operating is completed, the reverse replacement takes place. The total length of pipes with anticlockwise screw is equal to the length of the wellbore and may comprise from 1,000 meters up to 6,000 meters and more, and significant number of resource costs. Thus, taking into account all the factors mentioned, the aim of the ancient materials is to develop the effective tools for unscrewing pipes within a well site with increased operational reliability and enhanced technology possibilities. The main idea of innovating tool development is to reduce time cost for removing emergency conditions that makes it possible to increase environmental safety level of the well site construction process and oil and gas extraction. Given the shortcoming of exciting technologies, attention was directed to improve the device for converting exciting right-hand rotation of the drill string to left-hand rotation of caging tool. A patent has been obtained for the developed device. Laboratory experimental samples were also made. So we got a number of benefits. The offered construction of the device that functions as a transformer of rotation direction is lowered into the wellbore with the aid of exciting pipes with clockwise screw, after which there is no necessity to use pipe with anti-clockwise screw, reducing the time of preparation work needed to remove the emergency, and respectively the environmental impact is shortened. The cost of the overhead device is next lower order than with the use of pipe with anti-clockwise screw. Based on the above, we can conclude that the developed device is eco-efficient. Thank you for your attention.